At the Daily Lounge Salon, skincare goes beyond luxury. It's essential for refreshing and renewing your skin's vitality. Facial treatments provide deep cleansing, removing impurities and leaving your skin fresh, glowing, and rejuvenated. Gentle massages boost circulation, delivering oxygen to the skin, promoting a healthy glow, and reducing stress. Our hydrating masks and nourishing serums cater to every skin type, balancing, brightening, and calming your complexion. A professional facial enhances your confidence with smoother skin, minimized pores, and a radiant, healthy appearance. Experience the transformative HydraFacial, reducing fine lines, increasing firmness, and evening skin tone and texture. Book your HydraFacial at Daily Lounge Salon today and let us reveal your skin's natural beauty. See you soon.
Hi! My name is Kim and I am your beauty angel. Madali din ba kayong mainip kagaya ko? Ako kasi talagang sobrang mainipin ako. Yung tipong kapag ka merong gawa or halimbawa nagpa-hair color ako tapos mag-aantay lang ako ng 30 minutes or 1 hour, nakakainip, di ba? So ako, I always wanted na when I have something to do, kailangan na ma-maximize ko yung time ko para hindi sayang yung oras ko. Kasi minsan, di ba, sa atin, especially ako, nagbe-business ako, wala tayong time. We only have 1 or 2 days off in a week. Na yan lang talaga yung oras na pwede tayong mag-pamper sa sarili natin. So what do? Every time nagpapa-hair color ako, I make sure meron akong ginagawang ibang services while waiting for my hair color para naman hindi ako mainip. So one thing na ginagawa ko is probably nagpapa-foot spa or nagpapa-pedi or gel or nail arts or sometimes magpapa-facial treatment ako. Yes, pwede. And most importantly, kung gusto mo mas bonggang-bongga yung pagpapaganda mo, meron din kaming Glutadrip. Ayun, so kung gusto natin ma-maintain yung fresh, young-looking, and whiter complexion, Glutadrip yung sagot dyan.